Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 of this series, and there will be a third. I did this last night, and it came out pretty good, but we need to be able to change the colors, and that will come in part 3. But if you look at the original has places where it's on top of the other one. Now, if you do this all the way around, at one point, one of them is going to be on top of both of them. So we've got our graphic that we used last night, but see, I've got it overhanging the line, and our rotation was, the angle was 21.167. So what you do, and this is just going to be about this, and the next one will be about the color, hopefully. So we're going to make a duplicate of this. I'm going to alternate C to get the rotation to the center. Well, it doesn't look like it is. It's not for some reason. But anyway, put it in the center and then rotate it 21.167 or 76 degrees. Now let's move, I'm going to set my nudge factor on 10 inches. Let's move our box out of the way. And you can see the overlapping lines. So this is what we need to do. We need to make a new shape, and I'll just use that color, and then we're going to move that out of the way. And we can actually, let's don't delete them. Let's put them up here. We don't really need this graphic anymore, but I'm going to bring in indexing lines and put them in the center of the page so we'll have something to rotate to. And let's actually take this and left click, right click, because we've made a new shape. Now, in lieu of putting it back to 0 and trying to move it, I'm just going to go Control D, make a duplicate, put the center rotation in there. A lot of times it doesn't look like it is, but it is. And I'm going to rotate it a negative 21.176. Now you can see that there's separation between those two, much like in the real one. And I think it's perfect because it's almost like a little shadow in there. I'm trying to duplicate it perfectly. So if you will take this one, and we can actually use our docker on this because it's already in the center. We can go to, and it would be a lot easier because we've got a weird number here. Go to Windows, Dockers, Transform or Transformation, depending on which one yours is. I've still got it up. I've still got 16. And when I hit it, you can see now that they're going to look overlapping with a little bit of different color between the joints, and that's going to be, I think, the shadow effect. Matter of fact, let's see what it looks like with a black box around it. Go to Object Order, back a page. That's the look I'm trying to get to make it, and you could actually have it look like it's overlapped, but the original kind of looks like it's got a little separation. I can't tell if it's a shadow or whatever, but I think this will work perfectly. And so hopefully in the next video, I will try to show you how to do this. It's easy to do the first color. We did in section 1 or part 1, but it's going to be a little bit difficult to do all the colors, different colors. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.